Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need two things, AirPods and a compatible Bluetooth transmitter, because most LG TVs do not pair directly with Apple earbuds. First, plug the transmitter into the TV's optical, USB, or 3.5mm port and power it on. Once powered, put the transmitter into pairing mode. Make sure your AirPods are in their case and holding the pairing button until the LED flashes. This manual step ensures the transmitter and AirPods will discover each other. Don't skip it. Now configure the TV so sound routes to the transmitter. Go to Settings, right arrow, Sound Out, and pick External Speaker, Optical, or Headphone depending on your connection. Once done, make sure TV speakers are muted or set to external only, because some TVs won't stream via the transmitter while internal speakers are active. If your transmitter supports aptX low latency or the LG has game mode, enable it to minimize lip sync delay. This is why choosing the right codec matters for video. Once the transmitter shows connected, take the final steps. Play a video and listen for clean audio. If you hear echo or delay, go back to sound settings and tweak the audio delay or enable game mode to correct sync. If you get no sound, restart the TV and transmitter, check AirPods battery, and confirm the transmitter supports the needed codec. Key troubleshooting tip: if pairing fails, unpair AirPods from other devices, reset them, then immediately reconnect to the transmitter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.